Hello everyone, here's Greg from nobstar.com. In today's video I will show you how to share your inspiring video to your audience with your funnel builder, a little bit differently than anybody else with your funnel builder. So let's dive in. You log into your funnel builder academy, then click funnel builder tool. Okay, you're inside. You click use my funnel builder, so add new step, add new page. So templates, and we looking for okay, so we find an Army Star Helen template. We click on, and we have the all templates what she here have. Okay, and that's and we're looking for custom video page. That's one. Okay, we can preview this and see how this looks like. So we got the power of one. You see that is the one. If you have a one video you want to share with people, it's already embedded in the page, and you go and you put embedded. I'll show you later how to embed this. And then we saw here our community. You can put your link here for whatever you promote, and you see she had a different videos here too, and she got embedded testimonials too. So that's put she code in testimonials so that they always get updated, and you know that's always relevant, and that's how the page looks like. Okay, I press select, and you need to put the page, and I will put inspire, and then after the page will be the web address here. It's public. Okay, page info, and then click add. So you got an on your funnel. Now you have to put the videos. Okay, for example, you need to how to change the videos. You go to the YouTube. So you find the video you have the video what you wanna put embedded in your send. Click the button share, and that's the links for the video. You click a copy to the website to your funnel builder. Click here, editing video source, and you copy the link what you just put it in. You can even use your custom thumbnail if you want. I don't do it right now. I'm gonna hit change, and there you go. No shadow. What's that? Okay, and put a save with the uploading. And now you need to go here. You know, you have to write something about here about this video, what's expired and why you put it on. Now you go spell that is our community page and video. It's a very nice video. You can watch it if you. I suggest you to watch, and you know, and here's you can change the link what you're gonna if you like to put the people whatever you want to go. So you click on the button and click edit. And I put this here on the link, or you can of course change the button too, but we'll click on the edit link, and the next funnel step, what it suggests, I will put the funnel in the next funnel steps, and then for example will be as capture page. I have so many page here. Legal policy. So you know it's okay. I can put an escape plan capture page and hit select. So and then you can put a next video here. Okay, and change of course the button. That is the embed code for the testimonials, and change the next button here, so you can even change the colors on the buttons. Okay, I will click here and then edit styling and a button color, so you can put like this way. Okay, and click off and get save, and the button is changed. Okay, and that's and then all the button you can change for your links where you want to send the people to, and you can even preview what you did. So, and you got your video here, your community, and your changing links, and your testimonials, and that's it. And you can even here got all right results. Of course, you have to change the footing tool for your page, which I will show you then in the future videos. So today is just about how to present yourself as an authority in a different way, and still you can link the people to page you promote or whatever you want to link them. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.